Okay, now we're going to be looking in this video at how we solve equations with minuses. So, we are on this side of the page. This side of the page is to do with our last video, so we're not going to be doing this at the moment in this video. Let's get rid of that. So, concentrate on the right hand side, please. We've got to work out the missing number from the box. The missing number minus 8 is 1. And as I said before, we grab the minus 8 from the left hand side, take it to the right hand side. As we change side, we change sign. So the minus 8 becomes a?
Plus 8.
Plus 8. So now what do we have now? We have the answer will be equal to? 1 out of 8 is? 9. And if I temporarily quickly put 9 into here, let's check it. 9 minus 8 is 1, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's get rid of that 9 because I don't want the answer to be put there. So the box is equal to 9. This is how I want you to set out each question. So let me have a look at question number 3 now. I want to work out the box. Box has got minus 4 next to it. Opposite of minus 4 is add 4. So we copy the box down. Oops. Copy the equal down. 3 add 4 is 7.
7.
And we finish that question. Right. I'm looking at number 6 now. Number 5. Something minus 3 is 14. So we've got to work here out. So the minus belongs to the 3. We take it to the right hand side, becomes a?
Add 3.
Copy the box down. Oops. Whoa. Copy the box down. 14 add 3 is?
17.
Okay, so I've left some questions for you to do there on that's half of the page. So can you please have a go at question number 2, question number 4, number 6, and number 7 while I pause. Go. So let's change color now, so we can see what we've done now. I want to look at the box opposite. Excuse me. Opposite of minus 2 is?
Add 2.
So the box is equal to 9. Opposite of minus 1 is?
It's add 1.
So the box is equal to?
10.
So 10 minus 1 is 9. Good. So the box minus 2 is 6. So opposite of minus 2 is?
Add 2.
So our box is equal to
8.
8. Opposite of minus a half is? Add a half. So our box is equal to what? What is everyone going to find now?
Is it 8?
4 out of half is 8. Oh, that's good.
4.5.
4 out of half is 4.5, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we get 8 from. Okay, are we happy with that question? So let's go to the next page. Okay, I don't know what this question is nice. All of that. Okay, right now here comes a nice exciting one with the minus halves and things. So let's have a couple of these questions now. So I got to work out this missing number here, and I got a minus a half on the left hand side. So I grab it, take it to the right hand side. It becomes a plus.
A plus 1.5.
Okay, so our box, if I rewrite it here, will be equal to what?
2, 4.
6.5 add half is?
Oh, we're adding. Isn't it 7?
Well done. 7. So if I look at number 10, so start on minus 2. So the box minus 2 is 9. So opposite of minus 2, whoops,
Is add 2. Yes.
is add 2. So 11 is equal to the box. And I'm going to do... No, I think that's it now. I think you should do the rest of the questions on the page. That's enough examples. Anybody need any more examples?
No, thank you.
Which one?
No, these half ones.
Okay, give me... should we look at number 14?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got to work out question number 40. I need to work out the box. It's been minus by 1.5. So the opposite of minus in 1.5 is? Minus is take away.
Add 1.5.
Add 1.5. Excellent. So let's copy the box under the box. Copy the equal under the equal. So 9.5 add 1.5 gives us?
10.
9.5 add half gives us 10 here. And then you add the 1 that gives us? 11. And that's the answer. So you just add the numbers bit by bit.
Wow.
Okay, you don't need to confuse yourself. Okay, so now the rest of the questions are your questions. So let's have a go at those first, please. Okay, welcome back, right? So let's finish up the rest of these questions. So we're going to work out this box here. It's been minus by 3.5. So the opposite of minus 3.5 is add 3.5. So 3 and 2 is 5, and add the half, that gives you 6 altogether. So the box is equal to 6. Okay, opposite of minus 8
It's add 8.
is add 8 on the other side. So 14 is equal to our missing box. So 2 is equal to something, take away 10. So opposite of minus 10 is?
Opposite of add 10.
Add 10. So 10 add 2 is? 12.
12.
Opposite of minus a half is?
Add a half.
Add a half.
Add a half.
So we have 5.5 is equal to the missing box.
Yes.
Okay, are we happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Opposite of minus 3.5 is?
Add
Add 3.5. So 3 at 7 is 10. Half at a half is 1. So that gives you an answer of?
11.
11 is the box.
Sir, for question 13, what's the answer?
Answer is 5.5.
Yeah.
Opposite of minus 6 for this one is?
Add
Plus 6. So the missing box is equal to?
7.
Opposite of minus 5 on the left hand side is?
Add
Plus 5. So the missing box is equal to?
5.
Opposite of minus a half in the box is?
Add a half.
And 0 at a half is equal to?
A half.
Okay, the box minus 4 is 1. Opposite of minus 4 is?
Add 4. Add 4.
Add 1. Pardon me, add 4. Yes, sorry. So that will give you an answer of? 5. And then opposite of minus 1 here, that one is we add 1. I was doing the next question in advance. So the answer is? 5.
So let me go.
Okay. Right, that's the end of the takeaways now. I'm sure there's no more takeaways left. Let's have a double check on yes, that's good.